So I'm baby proofing the cabinets and stuff in here because Mahlani is crawling. She's getting into everything. So these are the Benny Bradley's invisible cabinet latch locks, and it comes with 20 pieces. Hear her, she's in Kai's room playing. These are the outlet covers. You can get these at any Walmart and stuff. I already did this one. So this is where we keep dish soap, all types of stuff that I don't want her to get into. So I really needed to close this up, and she literally can't get into them. I'm gonna do this drawer, and then I'm gonna walk you guys through the process with this drawer. So in this drawer, I just have my candles, my extra. Look, this is what Kai did today. This was why I got up off my butt and I'm doing this. Like, oh, honey, hi, mommy. What are you talking about? This candle I bought when we went to Eagle Lake. I was actually pregnant with Kai, and it was my keepsake. A lot of the places that we have visited, we don't take home keepsake, and when I was leaving Eagle Lake, I got this as a keepsake. Well, two of them. I'm gonna have to repot these two candles, so wish me luck when doing that one. Hubby started putting them his water under here. I don't know why. I'm gonna move it and put it over there. This is my Bath and Body Works bag. I normally get these to plug in the house from Bath and Body Works. I need some more. And I'm just gonna put this up here. Organize this a little bit. I don't know who came in here and did this, whatever. This is actually to put in the garage to put up my, like my mops and my brooms and stuff. I actually bought it from Amazon also. No, I can't fit it back in the box. I actually need to cleanse out this house. This is my cleansing herbs and stuff. Hubby almost dropped out his eye. So I think it's time for another cleansing. I cleansed in here when we first moved in here, but I haven't done it since. So I think it's time. Excuse me, mommy. So these are how they look, and then they come with these to keep them in place. So I'm gonna take out 2 of each, and then I'm gonna put these back in here. Yes, mahlani. So you want to take off this little red thingy here, because this is what is holding. I don't know why my camera isn't focusing. This is what is holding the glue. So you want to take that off. I like to do this one first though, because so you have to be careful that you're not taking off the glue, the sticky part, because that is what's going to hold them in place. So all I did, I just stick it up here really good. Then I'm gonna get this one, and this is how they're supposed to hook into each other, like this. So I'm just gonna hold it like that, push the door in, and stick it to the door. So this is how it's supposed to look. So this is how you want to make sure it's positioned, and then you want to stick it really, push on it really hard. The glue on these are really good also. Then take off the back strip of this one. I like to open the door. I like to open the other door to see what I'm doing, to make sure they are positioned properly. So I open this. I like to measure it like this, just about. See where it would fall, like that, and then stick it. Give it a nice push, and voila. There you have it. Your cabinets are baby proof. Look. So these are the plug covers right here. That's one. That's one, and we have 2 types. So You have the flat type, and then you have that type. This type is harder for the kids to take off the outlet. The flat ones, my 3-year-old son actually knows how to take off. So I just find areas in my house that my kids like to frequent and cover the outlets. And that is it. That's how you baby proof your home. It's quick, simple, and easy. Also, if you have furniture, you need to make sure that your furnitures are drilled to the wall. If they're crawling around and they're pulling on the drawers and stuff, that's another big thing with baby proofing. So I'll see you in the next clip. Deuces. Say hi, mommy. Today is my day. It's all about me. You seeing yourself, mama? So today is Mahlani's photo shoot for her 1-year-old birthday. Last year, that time I was well pregnant and couldn't wait to give birth. Come on, mommy. I think so. Look at that. And now I'm about to be 1 year old. 1 year.
Appointed time and
1 year old. There's all her photo shoot stuff in the front. So we extra early. We came at what time, babe? 10:08.
10:08, sorry.
We came 10:08, so her photo shoot actually starts at 10:30, so we're gonna drive around a bit because we're all of 20 minutes early, I should say. And Kai's right there.
Our mother boyfriend is up here.
Where's that? Where's that while ago?
So I put them things there, okay?
Babe, they're right there, so.
Stepfather, our mother boyfriend is right here.
You got jokes. So we just finished Mama's photo shoot. How much outfit change you have again? Let me see. 1, 2, 3. She had 3 outfit change, and then a splash where she just had her head wrapped up and in a tub. She did a really good job. Not true, mommy.
Shall I sleep?
No, so true. There's like another pacifier. Look at her. She's like, Mom, why you have this camera on me? And there goes Makai. And Makai did good too. You did good too, Papa. I'll sleep. Y'all gonna sleep? Yeah, he's going to sleep.
Oh.
Hi. Look like he's going to sleep. When she send me the previews, I'll definitely show you guys. They're really cute.
People talk about it in the context of birth women, right? So the birth women are characters. The amongst the grandchildren is to try to get grandma to say I love you. So when you're on the phone, you're like, all right, grandma, bye. All right, I love you. She's like, okay, now take care. We just got a fire station.
Birthday girl. Birthday girl.
Where she kept in the door jam.
Little Caribbean princess. Show your outfit, mommy. Show the outfit, mommy. Oh, look at that girl outfit.
I can have my guns, and I can only pull my gun out until you get off my property. And so those are my folks. Don't mess with them. They don't mess with anybody. And you better not.
Mahlani. Sugar. I love you, mama.
On the other side of this tree, you'll find a key.
Kai.
Quick left and you'll see a boat. Inside of that boat, you'll see a pair of oars. Freedom oars. Wow. Paddle north and make your way to freedom. Runaway, Christy? Yeah, runaway, kid? This is all kind of scary. Freedom. True freedom is daunting.
Mahlani.
You have come this far, but you have to know you're ready. You know she's been known to hold a gun on folks who hesitate. I never ran my train off the track.
I'm showing your outfit from different angles, mama. Hi, pretty. Hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful.
I was born in and my parents came from Puerto Rico looking for a better life, better promise. My parents came in the late 20s and early 30s. Puerto Rico was a colony of the United States. Democracy, right? So-called democracy has colonies.
Hi.
And they came looking for opportunity. Like most people who migrate and immigrate. My parents.
Yes, everything on that cake too. They want to put out my icing.
Better angle.
Hi.
Alright, y'all gonna sing a happy birthday?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you.
Kai, go ahead. Hi. Papa.
Happy birthday, dear Mahlani. Happy birthday to you.
Pretty.
How old are you now?
One.
How old are you now?
One.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
May the good Lord bless you.
Oh, you extra.
Bless you.
We gonna go with it.
May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, no, opposite. Happy birthday.
Wait.
Alright, so.
Here, just put the extras.
Now he's back.
You back now, Kai?
No, wait. I kind of want
What's she
You
gonna
need a
do?
knife to cut it.
You gotta cut her cake? Alright.
That can't cut it,
Can I-
mommy.
I'll go and pop it.
I could probably scrape off the icing.
Yeah, that's exactly what I need to do. Ah, thank you. You wanna cut it with her, Nani?
Yeah.
So, let's put it up here. Let's get it,
You wanna sit down?
mama. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, go.
She hurt her?
Oh, mommy.
What happened?
Put it down.
You looking that far?
You want me to open this for
All right.
you? You're welcome.
Puppy, I'm gonna sit next to you, okay?
You fine, mommy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sir. Hello.
DJ Kai on ones and twos.
No, DJ Mahlani.
Not yet. You gotta get to it first. Uh-oh.
Eating banana.
Eating banana, Papa.
That's not eating banana. That's her teether.
That's how the monkey eating bananas.
Now you reach over here, so excuse me.
Because he's trying to.
Stop
Excuse
it.
me, sir. Yeah.
Because he's trying to tell me.
Eat all your stuff.
Money.
Okay. No. No. You don't share with your
Yeah, bow.
You don't share with them. You don't share any of your toys, so now I'm bothering her own toys.
See?
Look to me, trying to-
Very interactive toy for her.
Curly.
Come, mommy.
Hi, your ears. Hello, where the fight never?
Play with it?
Papa.
Stop.
Yeah, girly. Look. Oh, hold up. There you go, mommy. Selfie. Let's see if I can go there. Oh, I got it.
I'm gonna make it any of those pics.
Oh,
Hi, pretty.
Hi, so I'm not gonna make any of those pics. Come on, my own let's roll it up. I like to roll up.
I hate Lefty.
I like to for the world.
Banana.
Mahlani.
Malani's banana.
I can see it can break.
There it is. Hi guys, so I just wanted to hop in here and talk about Mahlani for a bit. This is actually her birthday weekend. She was born on June 3rd, 2020, so that will be, she's a year old. Evelyn, she's saying mommy, mommy, dada. I'm trying to get her to say baba and stuff like that. No, she's exactly how I envisioned her when I was pregnant with her. She's feisty. She knows exactly what she wants. She's an amazing baby. She eats like everything because that's exactly how I was when I was pregnant. So I just want to say I love you and thank you for choosing me to be your mom, and happy birthday. I love you. Oh, and if you want to see her birthday photo shoot pictures, you will definitely have to follow me on IG for that. I'll probably post some of them as thumbnail and post some of them in the video, but for all the good ones, you have to follow me on Instagram at Brains and the Beat. So I'll see you there. Deuces.